so long, I am back with yet another unboxing video, and this time I got it. As you all can see, this is a PS5. So the thing is, I've never ever played a PS5. I tried PS4 just for 2 days or something like that. But after childhood games like Mario and all, I directly jumped to PS5. So let's unbox it. So inside the box we got a power cord cable and the vertical stand for the console and an HDMI cable, and this is, I guess, for charging that controller. Yeah. And here is our PS5 DualSense control. Yay! And let's open the main console. So here is the main console, and we also got some manuals, how to use, guides and all. We can refer to these if you have any doubts. So let's unbox the main console. Oh my god, this is very heavy. Wow! Yay! Oh, this is not in pure white. I thought it is in white. Okay, it's grey. It's greyish white. Okay, this is the console. So yeah, let me set it up first. So I forgot to tell you all, this is PS5 Slim. So let me set it up and show it to you again. Thank you.